What if I told you that that amount in your bank account today is not going to be decide your future, or it does not decide that how wealthy you can become? Howard Schultz grew up in a low before building the Starbucks into a global giant. Oprah Winfrey grew up in a poverty before becoming one of the most successful media entrepreneur in America. They did not start with wealth. They started with limited resources, limited opportunities, financial struggle, and a decision to change their future or become a wealthy person in future. Today, you may not want to become a next Starbucks giant or may not try to become a successful entrepreneur, but you are trying to become a wealthy person who can manage their financial easily, pay off debt easily, or you can live your life beyond your paycheck to paycheck. So if you are wondering that I can build my wealth starting from zero, so my honest answer is yes. Definitely you can create your wealth from zero or starting from zero, but it will not happen through luck, or it will not going to happen overnight success. It's not any kind of scheme that you can become rich in just few days. In this video, I am going to show you a roadmap, a 7-step roadmap that if you can follow this, you can become wealthy. Yes, if you are starting from scratch, you can become wealthy by following this 7 steps roadmap. Even if your income is low or just limited opportunity of incomes you have, or just limited income you have. So stay until the end. I will reveal the biggest mistake that keeps millions of people in financial debt or stuck in the financial debt for years. You are welcome to my channel Headwest. Let's start this video. Step 1 is change your money mindset. Yes, you heard it right. Most people think that I will invest when I earn more money, or when I got salary hike or increment, then I will start investing. But rich people mindset is different. They ask how my money can earn more money. That is the biggest difference between you and the wealthy people, because your income create wealth once, but your investment create wealth forever. If you earn $50,000 a year, you work for a money. If your investment generates $50,000 per year, it means your money is working for you. So the first step is not earning more. Your thinking should be changed about money. Every dollar has a job, because spend it, invest it, or save it. It is your call. But what you want to do, choose wisely. Second step is control your cash flow. And what is this? Let me explain. You don't become wealthy because you earn more. You can become wealthy if you spend less. Yes, you heard it right. Imagine person A is earning $1 lakh per year. On the other hand, person B is earning only $70,000 per year. But what is the difference? Different is this. But person A spent almost 90,000 per year, while the second person only spend 50,000 per year. You can easily check out which person is going to win. First person have only 10,000 savings, while second person has 20,000 savings. In future, person B is easily going to become wealthy in comparison of person A because of their spending habits. What you need to do, track every dollar you spend. Start from today. Cut unnecessary expenses like that one subscription that you forgot. Avoid lifestyle inflation. So do remember one thing always. Every raise does not mean you should make your car bigger. You should make your investment bigger with the every raise. Third and most important is build an emergency fund. What is emergency fund? Emergency fund is a kind of fund we keep some money in other bank accounts due to future uncertainty. What happened if your car breaks? You got medical emergency, or if you lose your job, then what will happen? So to cover this uncertainty, you have to build an emergency fund. Emergency fund, you have to keep some amount which cover your 3 to 6 months expenses in another bank account. You should not buy anything from this money, because this is your emergency expenses. Will touch only in case of emergency. If your monthly expenses is $5,000, then you have to keep almost $15,000 to $30,000 in your another bank account, which will protect your future because of uncertainties. Yes, you heard it right. Start doing this from today itself. Fourth step is eliminate your bad debts. Yes, what is this? Let me explain. Not all debt are same. Mortgage loan can build a wealth. Business loan can generate income for you. But what about the high interest credit card debts? They can destroy your financial freedom. You will trap in financial stress forever or for years. Imagine your credit card charges 24% loan, 24% per annum. So break even this point, you have to earn on 24% on your investment. That is nearly impossible to earning 24% per annum in your investment. Generally we can earn from 12 to 15% or 18%. If you are investing and carrying a credit card debt also, you are not going to become wealthy because debt interest is higher than your investment. So what to do in this situation? So you have to pay first your credit card debts and pay off any higher amount debt. After that you can start investing.